Hello, James Waldridge here in York with a fleet risk management nugget for you. I hope you can take these snippets of best practice and reduce your fleet costs, stop collisions and keep your drivers in one piece. So after a significant collision with a third party, there'll need to be a claim notification form completed and an issue to your insurer. That's fine, it's part of the process, but it shouldn't be seen as the collision investigation itself. The form won't cover all the areas that need to be considered to find out the root cause of the accident. To find out what really caused the collision, you'll need to consider issues like the fatigue level and the stress levels of your employee who was driving for you. Were they rushing around trying to meet targets? Do they have money worries or relationship problems? If you can find out what was happening in their home life as well as their work life in the days leading up to the collision, you'll have much more chance of finding the root cause of the accident. If you would like to have more help with templates on investigation processes and more guidance, please come and join the Fleet Safety Academy. And for more information, go to fleetsafetyacademy.co.uk. Thank you.